Alright, in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through step by step how to build a LinkedIn AI employee that can be helpful for content creation. It can post for you, as well as help you with other info on your LinkedIn account. It's super easy. First things first, when you come into Guild, you need to connect your apps so your employees have actual tools that they can access. And I'm going to go right here to the apps page. I'm going to click on, I'm just going to search LinkedIn. There it is right there. You can connect two ways. I'm just going to click this, choose the name. I'm just going to call it Kurt. Click connect, and then it's going to pull this in and then ask you to sign into LinkedIn. Once you're signed in, everything's fully good. However, we do need to sync up your posts and your profile with LinkedIn. So once that's done, let's click on this right here, and it's going to open this page. I'm going to click resync, and all you have to do is just enter in your username. So Curtis Rosenball is my username. Click this link, and what this is going to do is in the background, it's going to pull in all your posts. It's going to pull in your profile data, so it knows all where you work, what you do, as well as it's going to get a good idea of how you sound, your voice, so it knows exactly when it writes content for you. This is how he's written it in the past, and then this is how he should write in the future. It takes about like 5 minutes to pull that data in, but in that meantime, we're just going to start creating our employee. There's two ways to do it. You can do pre-built employees that are designed by Guild where they have a proper system prompt and all the tools. If you search LinkedIn in the search bar, you'll see that Luke is the LinkedIn navigator. You just click him, start chatting with him, and away you go. However, in this video, I'm going to cover a custom AI employee. So click this button up here, create AI employees. I'm going to call it LinkedIn employee. And then I'm going to start just describing how I want my employee to act. You handle LinkedIn content creation. Always create content in my voice. Now, if you can, once you've written like your basic, just kind of generic like system prompt, click generate with AI. And what that's going to do is going to go in, take what you've written and just make it better and put it in the right format that these AI LLMs are easy to read. So it's like, I know exactly what my role is. I know what the do's and don'ts are, all that good stuff. Now, while that's coming in, or as you just came in, so as you can see, this is just system prompt right here. You're good to go. You can edit this just by adding new things and it saves it automatically. Let's go ahead and connect LinkedIn real quick, just so it has access to all the tools. With LinkedIn, there's 15 different tools. You can toggle which ones you want on. I'm gonna leave them all on right now. I'm going to go in and add a skill to this agent. Now, skills add a broader instruction to your agent. So it's like when you write content, this is how you write content. I'm going to browse skills on skills.sh, and I'm just going to look for LinkedIn and see if there's okay, yeah. So there's one for LinkedIn content. It's had 1,000 people have attached it to their agents. It's just really good at writing high engagement LinkedIn posts. So this is just going to add a little bit more instruction on top of my system prompt on how to write great content. So copy this in right here, go back to Guild, add it like this, click add, and then boom, LinkedIn content is officially locked in. Now I'm going to upgrade the model. I want the highest performing model there is. So in my opinion, I love Opus 4.5. So there you go. You can add knowledge to this. You can say like, this is how I write. You can add even more instruction, but however, I find this has been enough for me when I've been writing my LinkedIn content, and you can just start chatting with it. So I should say, what do you do? And it's going to go through, read the system prompt, read the skills, read everything you just add, and just say, okay, this is what I do, this is what I can do for you. You can tweak it so it answers you the same way every single time. Okay, perfect. Looks pretty good to me. Let's ask it like, what was the last post I posted? It's going to go and read all that data. It just synced from your account. And then it just perfect. It says, just shipped custom AI tools, blah, 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 blah. It has a link to the actual post right here, as you can see. And there you go. So it now has all your posts. You can ask it questions, how many comments, how many likes did it get, all that good stuff. Everything's ready to go. You can keep chatting with it if you want. However, I'm going to start automating some tasks. I have an issue with LinkedIn content. Like I don't know what to post about. So that's what I'm going to have this employee do. That's his whole job. So I'm going to say, generate new post ideas, keep my voice from my other posts. Email me the ideas every morning. Email it to Kurt@Gale. Now I'm understanding I'm making a key error here. I'm just gonna set this up quick and then I'll go add more stuff. I want this to happen every day at 9 a.m. Okay, click add. I just told this LinkedIn employee to email me, but however, it only has access to my LinkedIn tools. We're gonna go back in and we're gonna edit that a little bit to allow my LinkedIn employee to email me. It's super easy. All you have to do is just connect Gmail or whatever email provider you use, like Outlook. Make sure it's connected on the apps page, which it is, good to go. And then boom, every single morning you're gonna wake up to new ideas that are written in your voice. And if you like them, you can have it posted as well. You can come back here and say, post that to LinkedIn. Now there's multiple things you can do. You can run reports saying like, hey, show me all my likes, comments on my most recent LinkedIn post so you can track that. Or you can set up a workflow where you can read the comments on your page and reply to comments as well. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna keep it pretty short and simple. That's how you create a LinkedIn AI employee that understands your voice, can create content for you, and post content for you in less than 7 minutes. So there you go. There's a LinkedIn employee you guys can create.